Can I say hi? Oh,
No, on no.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
What do you guys want? I was
Finally,
sleeping.
it's 11 p.m. in the morning. It's
Taco
12
and what?
a.m. in the morning. You're late for school.
But it's summer break.
Shit. How can I study? You're gonna be studying.
11
Oh,
a.m.
Okay, now get up. Come in.
no. Go back to bed.
Yeah.
And Taco Bell sauce.
It's your favorite subject.
Taco Bell sauce. Why are you so short? Why is it? I know. Wake up. I'm awake. I
In
can't awake.
2027, this sleepover will end. Don't worry.
Not only 27. That's a lot. Taco Bell sauce. Why are you kind of like small?
You're almost small.
Don't talk to my bestie like that. Anyway, let's just go get the pizza. Guys, there's still pizza in the fridge. There's 3 more.
Yeah, give me some pizza.
That's the last pizza. Taco Bell sauce, get it.
No, give. Nah, I'm also here for the ice cream. Nom 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 nom.
Daddy. Should I turn on the TV,
Yummy.
guys?
Yeah.
Guys, I think it's kind of...
Yay.
Okay, let's open the fireplace. Guys, it's literally like 2 a... It's like literally 2 a.m.
We just started the sleepover, girl.
I'm
Already tired. How do I even open this?
Nah, we're going to have a sleepover here until 2027 happens.
What channel should we watch?
That's why there will be.
Will it be?
I want this one. I want this one.
Hold on, I'm gonna go get my
This
phone.
one, Lavacation.
Taco Bell sauce, why are you up there? You might fall.
Don't worry. You
Oh
got
my
it.
god.
Yeah, I'm going on top too.
What are you guys even doing up there? Guys, I kinda wanna go swimming today.
Oh, yeah, let's go swimming.
Yeah, you're not gonna be swimming in the toilet bowl.
Oh, man.
We're gonna swim in the other pool, are you kidding me?
Where's the pool? There ain't any pool here, girl.
We're not gonna go swimming here, we're gonna go swimming outside.
Yeah, okay. Then I'm changing my clothes.
What's the point? Okay,
You
okay
like
guys,
it?
so guys, ready to go. I got everyone's
Why
supplies
do you have shoes? Girl, why do you have shoes?
because
Aren't we going swimming?
because the road is really hot, so I need to wear shoes. You guys are showing your dogs out.
Hang on, wait.
Why? What's wrong with my feet?
It's really hot
Looks
outside.
Look at my feet.
Ew.
Yes.
Guys, I think we need to go to Starbucks
There's
or
nothing
the
wrong with my feet. What's wrong with my feet?
girl, your feet look like from the 90s.
What do you mean?
Look so
That my
dirty. Like,
shoes.
ew.
What's wrong with my feet?
Girl,
What's wrong
just
with my
get some
feet?
shoes.
Let's go Taco Bell sauce.
I think she's getting
Girl, let's
shoes.
go now.
It's really hot, so you guys because the road is really hot, and also
Oh, I
banana
won't get
ketchup.
burned. Don't worry.
Banana ketchup, you're gonna regret it. I am not gonna carry you all the way to the pool. Hurry
Now,
up.
what said I need?
Easy.
Okay, now touch the floor
By
then.
the way, these are not my feet, girl. These are my slippers.
Oh,
And
okay, let's go, guys. Should we use the car or should we walk? You do need exercise.
we need to practice one. Hey.
You kind of look like a child, Taco Bell sauce.
Yeah, but you want to be one. If you want to play a
Wait,
game.
can you? Oh,
I brought my scooter. I bought my second
Right.
floaty, by the way, and I'm stepping on it right now.
okay. You guys go to the pool and get ready the thing. I'm gonna go get us some water.
Yo, get some colas, okay? Get some
Okay.
colas.
Okay, I get it. Okay, so it's like this. Oh, I can also advise. Oh yeah, it's really hot outside. So maybe they could like just
My motor makes
yes.
my word.
I know. Cut all the bushes. Hey guys, I got the colas and I also brought some Doritos on the way.
Oh, got some. I bought some. What is that?
Oh my god, what is going on? Okay, that was.
Yeah, this is. What was that
Does anyone
chaos?
want some hot dogs?
Not me. I'm taking off my slippers.
Ooh, nice. Anyway, I think I need to get my
Yummy.
Where's the
I
doggo?
like. Okay, now I'm gonna switch.
Oh my god, I forgot to put down my bag.
Easy.
Okay, I got everything ready. What else did I miss?
Yeah.
Did anyone Fritos.
Guys, the water's kind of cold. Yeah, I'm going down the slide so I would feel better. There goes nothing. Ouch. It's kind of cold.
I also on my quality, by the way.
So when you know how to swim, then why do you even need your floaty?
Because I don't even know how to swim, girl. I don't know how to float. If I needed air, I don't even know how to go up. I
Guys,
can
I'm
only
gonna
go
go to
here like this.
I'm gonna go to Starbucks. Okay, guys, what do you want from Starbucks? I put on my slippers. You like it?
So nice. Nice slippers.
Thanks. And what do you guys want?
I want Starbucks. Is there any donuts in Starbucks?
Of course there is. Come on, let's go to
And I also
Starbucks.
want some cold coffee like that. What's that? I don't. Yeah,
You mean
I
a
want.
cappuccino or do you want a mocha frap?
The frappe. I want a frappe. I also want toast. I want toast. Toast and donuts.
Okay, the store is free, so I don't know what I
Okay,
want.
where's the frappe? Which one is the frappe?
Nah, I'll just get this.
I want the matcha.
I also got matcha. Come on. Come on, Taco Bell, hurry up. You're so short. Hurry up. Let's just go.
No.
Okay, now let's rest from all those swimming. Ah.
Okay.
She won! Want us to bully you or
Come on, let's go home. We also need to catch up with Taco Bell sauce. Okay, y'all. Come on, let's go home. Guys, it's like we've been here like for 5 hours.
Oh.
ban her? When we get to the house, ban her. Immediately ban her.
Okay, sure. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Here, I'm gonna carry you Taco Bell sauce since you're so
Boy, I hate this little girl.
Here.
We're not rich.
Banana
play with
ketchup.
you.
Banana ketchup sauce.
Cringe.
Yo. Taco Bell sauce, wait. I'm gonna carry you. Because you're...
Hurry up.
I think
Okay, go to our house. Go to our house.
I'm not.
Go to our house and immediately. Okay, immediately. Open the door. Hide. So she doesn't see us.
Lock the door.
If she ever comes near this house. Okay, now can we go filming again?
We're already
Yes.
filming.
Go.
Anyway,
Bruh.
let's just go change.
Anyway, I don't even know why this girl didn't even listen when we were literally
Wait.
at the first
Wait,
time.
did you just realize that I'm shorter than you? And also
Yeah,
Taco
I
Bell sauce.
know. I just said.
I think Taco Bell sauce is the baby.
Yeah.
I
We're back.
what? Yeah, you're the middle child, and I'm the oldest child.
Runs away. Okay, maybe I could like close the blinds. Hold on. Close it. See?
Yeah.
That easy. I'm just gonna change my clothes over.
If she comes back here, I will call 911. What's your emergency? This girl won't stop stalking us.
Come on, guys. You just go change your outfits. I'm just gonna change.
Okay, I won't change.
Girl!
Yeah. Ah.
So let's just go change into our cup. Change. I'm finished, y'all.
You finished?
Now what do you...
Wait, should we be on the... I'm gonna be on my pajamas, should I? Or should we go walking?
Maybe we could go on a trip. We could, like, go on a walk. Anyway, what do you...
Tomorrow, let's leave early. So tomorrow we could...
Wait. Guys, let's do a plan. Okay, so we're gonna go to the like meeting room near our bedroom. So we're gonna find a place that we can stay in. Okay? We're gonna leave at like 1 at nighttime. 1 p.m. I think.
So somebody wants golf there?
Yeah. So we're gonna be the only ones in the airport, so it won't be crowded.
Okay.
Okay. So everyone pack your bag. Okay, so I got my water bottle, my phone.
And don't worry for Claire, I will hold her in my baby bag.
Okay.
Why are you my baby bag?
And I also got all of my clothes. I guess I'm set. And also my luggage.
Claire, where did you go?
I'm over here. Don't you dare. I'm gonna fall off.
No! Oh, girl!
Sorry.
Where did you get the Taco Bell sauce left?
Come on. Hold on.